Hello, I just received my B-Core Ichin D16 FrSky flight controller. It's the very latest Ichin, but I'm doing this video for Banggood support because I can't bind it, it doesn't work. So first I plug a LiPo, I have blinking LED, just like it should. I press 2 seconds on the bind button here. The LED turns solid, as it is supposed to do, and I will bind whatever option I choose. The LED stays solid and I can bind any option. I tried everything, unable to bind. So Banggood, please, I'm waiting your reply on this. Thank you.